Place the right to Ardha Padma. Hands on the floor. Dve exhale, fold. Trini inhale, lengthen. Chatvari jump back. Pancha inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat exhale, Adho Mukha. Right side. Sapta. Half forward. Asto. Hold the pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, Nava. Hands to floor. Dasha lift. Ekadasha Chaduranga. Dvadasha Urdhva. Trayodasha Adho. Change the leg. Chaturdasha. Half forward. Panchadasha. Left side. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, Shodasha hands to floor. Saptadasha up, Astadasha Chaduranga. Ekona Vimshatihi Urdhva, Vimshatihi Adho, Eka Vimshatihi. Half forward. Inhale. Dve Vimshatihi. Exhale, fold. Trayo Vimshati. Inhale, come up. Exhale, Samastitihi.